qu'en est-il d'un patient ou d'une patiente qui ne suivrait pas réellement sa diète au gluten et quelles sont les complications possibles?
As I tell my celiac families, the importance of gluten-free diet in children is the issue of growth. There is no question that if the child adheres to a gluten-free diet, he or she should grow normally. And this is very, very important, and that is why we do discuss with our families the importance of being on an entirely gluten-free diet. No cheating. The only time I allow cheating is on Passover night, when I allow our children to eat a special matzah of oats. Oat matzah only on Passover night. But that is the only exception. I really am very, very strict about it because every centimeter is important. And if the child keeps on a gluten-free diet, he should be able to grow. As far as the older patients are concerned, who are full grown, as I mentioned before, it is very important for the issue of blood count, anemia, calcium, and also various other problems. If a celiac person does not keep the diet, there is a problem with infertility, maybe. And also there are other problems later on in life, which I'd rather not mention now, but it is rather important. We should not allow the intestine to be too inflamed all the time, which can cause very severe problems later on. So I do encourage the celiac people to adhere to a gluten-free diet. There really is no limitation. Anywhere in the world, there is no barrier to a person with celiac. He can go into the military in any country and be a member of parliament.